It's Friday, July 10th, and we still have COVID-19. There's still no vaccine. The governor of California has pretty much shut down everything, and it seems like we want to just ride somewhere and get away. We've been doing everything that we could with the new baby to follow all the safety guidelines, and we try to stay up to date on all things coronavirus. But what else can we do? So, we took a trip. So we tried to find someplace remote, someplace where we wouldn't have to worry about the 6 feet rule because, well, there's plenty of feet around us. So we traveled about an hour and 45 minutes away from home to the Stanislaus National Forest. The trail that we specifically were looking at was called the Sugar Pine Railroad. All right, babe, you ready?
Yep.
You got your stuff? Did you bring your smile?
Sure did. Ooh, a little mosquito on your head.
Oh, did I?
Yep.
Oh, whoa.
Well, there's mosquitoes out here.
Welcome to nature.
I'm not trying to get bit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, get those legs. Get those legs. You just don't know. You just don't know. Get that arm out. Ooh. Yep. Ooh, yes. Yes, sensual. So the wife and I decided that, we needed a little break from like the everyday mundane routine of our city. So we decided to go on a little trip brewski.
Yep.
And so here we are. Neither of us have ever been here before, and I just found someplace on our trails and decided I wanted to go someplace where there was a nice river, someplace where I can get my adventure on, and we can just be ourselves. All right, I'll go first?
Yeah.
All right, cool. On this little getaway, we had a lot of time to just focus on us, a lot of time to just focus on nature, admire all the beautiful things that we sometimes just take for granted. Vanessa's an artist, and if you've seen the other videos on my channel, she made this amazing banner, but since our adorable little baby, we really haven't had time to just sit down and be creative. I can just say it feels amazing to be out here.
Yeah.
It just naturally, everywhere around you just smells like an air freshener.
It just feels right, you know? It just feels right.
We haven't taken photos in a long time. Everything's been about the baby. You just need a moment to just relax,
Enjoy nature.
Yeah. I'm shooting with the Lumix GX85. My wife, however, is a pirate because
Cannon.
She shoots cannons. Puns. On the trail, we saw some really cool plants and flowers that we don't really see in our area. Some of which struck me as kind of odd, but cool nonetheless. Here we go. A couple more shots to go. We're really enjoying the scenery so far.
Yes. Not a lot of miles left.
Not a lot of miles left.
Nice little stroll. Nothing too crazy.
Stroll through nature.
Yeah.
No crazy hike.
Fun times.
Yeah. Unbeknownst to Vanessa, this trip served as a way to kind of mix fitness with a little bit of relaxation. So by the end of this trail, we should have an elevation of about 528 feet, and we'll cover a distance of about 3.25 miles. So what are the sticks for?
I'm gonna make an O.
You're gonna make an O?
Yup.
Oh.
It's for my art journal.
Nice. So we're about 3/4 of a mile into the hike, And it's just absolutely beautiful. I can't express that enough. There's like all these little tags around. People like tied ribbons around some of the trees. And I don't have the reception to Google it right now and understand why, but they're tying these little red and white and blue tags all over them. 4th of July, maybe? I don't know.
It's not the right color though. Those are like a bright blue and like an orangey red.
Maybe that's all they had at Joann's. Okay, it's pandemic. So when I got home, I Googled it. And according to multiple trail consultants on the internet, they actually serve as markers for the United States Forest Service. So a little anticlimactic. Super duper beautiful. Ah! So I think we've come across what looks like hydroelectric plant. All right, how you feeling?
Great.
Yeah? Cool.
So great.
Cool. Checked my map and we only have like 7 more miles to go, so.
Punch you in your throat.
Ivy would have loved this place for sure.
Definitely. She loves trees. Just like her parents.
I just don't know why, because like you were saying, it's not genetic.
It's not, so it's just really interesting that we really love nature and that our daughter loves nature, but we haven't had a chance to teach her to love that.
And she doesn't even understand what a tree really is.
Nope.
Is it because green's her favorite color, do you think?
Maybe.
Can you have a favorite color at like 5 months?
I don't know, comment below.
I don't know. What do you guys think? The strange and beautiful thing about parenthood is even though you want moments to try to slow down and catch your breath, you still find joy in thinking about that little thing that you need a break from. All right, Ness, so what are some of your favorite things about being a mom? Now that you're about almost 6 months in now? 6 months?
Yep, almost. Seeing her smile. Like, whenever she sees me in the morning, she smiles. When I come around the corner, she smiles. If you're holding her and I say, "Hey, mama," she smiles. So it makes me feel good to know that she knows I'm her mom. You know, because like when they're little, like, I think we're all just blobs.
Right.
And so now, like, she specifically knows that this blob is her mom.
That lady right there.
Yep.
That's mom right there.
Yep.
What are some of the most challenging things about being a mom? Challenging things.
I would say breastfeeding. You can't do it, so it all falls on me. And so
I can't.
You know, knowing that like I'm the only one that can supply her food is challenging sometimes, especially like when she gets really fussy and she's super hungry and I'm trying to set up and I'm trying to go as fast as I can and she's like yelling at me. So yeah, that's challenging sometimes, you know.
Okay guys, we are actually heading back down to where we parked. Good 500 feet in elevation up, 2 miles, really good time. And I think we got a lot of good stuff.
Good shots. Can't wait to edit.
Yeah. You can tell we're getting close to being back because those are the train tracks from earlier. On the way up, there was a really nice part of the river that we just had to dip our feet into, but we told ourselves we would reward ourselves after the hike. So we made our way back down. Is it cold?
Yeah, feels good though.
Cool. Oh yes. Oh yes. It feels so good on my feet. So good. Oh. It's a little numbing cold though.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
It's like some, you know, like when the ice just melts in your water, it's not like super cold anymore.
Yeah. You get that little sting in your mouth.
That little sting, and it's just like, you know, like a brain freeze, but not too bad.
Yes.
That's where it's at.
We should get slushies.
Slushies, pizza and slushies. I think that's what we're gonna do.
I'm doing.
Hey guys, we have made it back to the starting point of our trail.
Yay, we did it!
And the place is absolutely beautiful. If you ever get a chance to come, I highly recommend it. The Sugar Pine Railway, the Strawberry Branch. If you haven't had a chance, check it out on all trails. And if you haven't followed me yet on Strava, make sure you do.
Didn't know lift came all this way out.
Oh, no problem. Not a problem at all, man. Okay. Nourishing? Is it lovely?
So refreshing.
Oh, so refreshing. Check out Vanessa's art page at The Art of Ness on Instagram. And I just started a Patreon, so if you want to become one of my patrons, you guys can help me create more videos like this. Thanks for coasting with me throughout this run. Till next time.